here in Ireland for the Red Bull Storm Chase after about a year of waiting with some of the 10 best riders in the world. And we have 100 kilometers wind. We have a cooking sea. Yeah, the special thing about the Red Bull Storm Chase is that we are waiting for the storm of the year with more than 100 kilometers wind. As soon as that pops up somewhere in the world, we're all gonna go with the 10 riders and sail the storm.
"70 knots. I just don't know if it's possible. It's just unbelievable amount of force out there right now.
Really gusty. Can go fucking high, I think. Like Dany. Oh!
I think everyone sailed out of their skin. We saw some of the most radical windsurfing I've ever seen. We're now down to 6 from 10 riders, but we're really looking forward to the next mission of the Red Bull Storm Chase, so stay tuned and see where we go.